What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 ways to make $1,000 a week with no job. Now, the strategies that I'm going to share with you in this video, some of them you can actually start to make money this week. Some of them, it does require a little bit of setup, but once you have everything set up, you can have the potential to earn $1,000 per week minimum, and the potential to actually earn more. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Linsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how you can earn income from home. Now, those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video and hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So make sure you watch all the way until the end so that way you don't miss out on any strategy. And then choose one of the strategies and then start to do more research on it and then implement that strategy so that way you can start earning. So let's dive into the content. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So the first strategy that I want to share with you is through freelancing, or basically selling your skills. So think about any jobs that you had in the past. Think about any skills that you have, and you can come over to sites like Fiverr.com. There's also Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and you can go ahead and sell your skills. Now, whatever skills you have, like maybe if you know how to do data entry, maybe you have a wonderful voice and you can record somebody's voicemail message for them, you can come to a site like Fiverr.com. You can create a job or create a gig, and then you can start selling. Now, as you can see here, some people are selling their gigs for $5. Some of them even go up towards $200 and things like that for these particular services. And then also, like when Fiverr started, a lot of the gigs were $5, but now they allow people who have verified accounts and things like that to become pro members. And as becoming a pro member, that means you can earn more money. So now we're seeing like people on here who are charging $3,600 for their services. This one is charging $5,000. So this can start off as a way that you can just make some extra cash, make an extra $1,000 per week with this website, but then you can also have the ability to earn more money. And this is someone that I had talked about before on a previous video. I found her on TikTok, and she's actually crossed over 1 million in sales with Fiverr. She started with Fiverr about 3 years ago, selling different services for writing for people's blogs, creating content for people's websites, edit SEO copy and things like that. And she has just crossed the $1 million mark on Fiverr. So the possibility is there to earn more. But again, if you just want to go and just make a few extra dollars as a side income, like an extra $1,000 per week, you can definitely do that with Fiverr by selling your own skills. So the second one that I want to cover is starting a blog. Now, this is a great way for you to earn some extra income. And just like Fiverr, you have the potential to earn more money. So right now we're looking at the blog for Adam Infroy. And I actually just found him as well on TikTok. And on his website right here, he got started with blogging back in 2019. And within his first 90 days, he was able to bring in $10,000. And now his blog, the blog that we're looking at right now, is earning over $80,000 per month. Now, with blogging, how you can actually make an extra $1,000 per week is simply by you can start with affiliate marketing. Now, when I got started online some years ago with blogging, I know people had issues about trying to get a lot of traffic to their blogs and things like that. But now that we have websites like Pinterest.com, you can go over there and use Pinterest to help you get more visitors to your website. So there's a lot of ways that you can actually increase the amount of volume that comes to your blog, so that way your content is seen more, and that way more people can actually click on the affiliate links throughout your blog. You can also monetize your blog by adding Google AdSense. And with Google AdSense, basically they'll put ads on your blog, and if somebody clicks on that banner ad or something like that, you can earn income. Now, with this strategy, you won't be able to probably make $1,000 this week. It is a long-term strategy, and you do have to put a little bit of elbow grease into it. But again, this is a great way for you to earn $1,000 per week and have the potential to actually earn more the more energy and time that you put into building up your blog. Now, the next one that I want to cover is DoorDash. So if you caught my video on yesterday, I was talking about how I am currently in a group called Side Hustle Nation on Facebook. And inside of this group, you will learn from a variety of people on different ways that they're actually earning side income online, or even not online, offline pretty much, right? And one of the questions that I had showed in that video, a lot of people on that particular post, when the young lady asked, how can she make $1,000 in a month? A lot of people talked about DoorDash. And on that post, some people were commenting how they was able to achieve, making $1,000 that week, or maybe even more, simply by doing DoorDash. Now, what you want to do with DoorDash is that you want to make sure that you have a strategy. Now, this is going to be very important, because what most people do with these delivery services, and even like Uber or Lyft, they just start and they don't have a particular strategy, before going in. And that's why they probably won't make as much money as they possibly could. So with DoorDash, you want to make sure that you are trying to deliver products or deliver services during high peak times. So what times could that be? That's definitely around lunchtime, and that could also be around dinner time. And then also, if any upcoming sporting events or concerts or anything like that is coming into your city, those are going to be high trafficked places to be, and you can go ahead and take part of that and to start delivering food to a lot of these places. So you want to make sure that you go in with a strategy in hand first before you start doing any type of delivery service, especially with DoorDash. Now, the next one that I want to cover is called Rover.com. And as you guys can see here, you can earn up to $1,000 per month, and you can get paid to play with dogs. Now, they say you can earn up to $1,000 per month, but again, if you are willing to step up to the plate a little bit more, you can actually earn more per week with this strategy. Now, on here, you can set your own schedule and your prices. You can offer any combination of pet care services. And as you can see on this app, all you will need to do is just create your profile, accept requests, and you start to get paid. Now, some of the services that are offered are dog boarding. And you can see this is where some of the highest earners are, right? So you can take care of a dog or a cat overnight, and you can actually earn more income with this strategy. They also offer dog walking, daycare, house sitting, and drop-ins. Just, drop into the house, make sure the dog or, the pet or whatever is okay, and then you can get paid for that. So that's one strategy. So if you like dogs, then you could definitely earn some extra income with this strategy. Now, the next one that I want to cover is Taskrabbit. So this is also a strategy that I had shared in my last video. And on this particular website, you can, again, sell your skills, but they're more geared towards offline. Now, they do have some things where, people need some things done online, but they're actually kind of looking for offline, help. So as we can see here, some of the popular projects that people are looking for is people to assemble tables and desks, mounting TVs or mirrors, also moving boxes, cleaning up the bathroom and the kitchen. And if you click on this tab here where it says become a tasker, and on this page, they'll give you an estimate of how much you could possibly earn with the various tasks that they have on this particular website. So we can see here, you can help people move, and you could possibly earn $30 per hour. If you do furniture assembly, you could possibly earn $25 per hour. Now, again, if you come in to this website with a strategy, you could definitely start to earn more money each week with this particular strategy. And then the longer you're doing this and the more jobs that you do and you get better reviews, you have the possibility to earn more and charge more for your services. Now, the next one that I want to cover is selling your photos. So right now we're looking at a YouTube video, and in this video he is talking about how he made over $35,000 selling his photos online. Now, he is a software engineer and he does this part-time. So think about if you did this on a full-time basis, you have the opportunity to earn more money. Now, one of the websites that he recommends is Folderloo, and on here you can sell your photos to these stock sites, and you can come over here and do this all at one time. Now, so if you're really good at photography or something like that, then you can use these sites to earn some extra money. Or if you just have photos from when you went traveling, you just have some old photos in your phone, you can go ahead and upload those photos to these websites, and you can start to earn money. Now, the next one I want to cover is to start an online store. So you can do this with Shopify.com. In this video example, I'm showing Etsy.com. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because if you want to make $1,000 per week, maybe you already have, you know how to create crafts and arts, Or maybe you know how to make soaps, or you know how to make handmade lotions and things like that, body scrubs and whatever else, a lot of skincare items. What you can do is you can create an Etsy store and you can go ahead and start selling your items on here. And what I have mentioned also in previous videos is my sister, she has an Etsy store, and within her first 2 weeks, she was actually able to earn over $1,600 with her Etsy store selling things that she created at home. So this is definitely a great option for you to do that. If you're an artist and you know how to create art, again, that's another way that you can actually make money with Etsy. Now, how you can actually get a lot of traffic to your Etsy store so you can make sales, one of the good ways that you can do this right now is through TikTok. So what you can do is you can create a free account on TikTok, and what you can do is create short videos of you in the process of creating something. So if you are an artist and you know how to paint, maybe you could show the process of you creating a new piece of art, and you could post that onto TikTok. If you are making lip gloss, you know how to make lip gloss, and which is really actually popular, is you could show the process of you making a new lip gloss, the color and the scent or whatever you're going to put in the lip gloss. You could do any of these things. You could post them onto TikTok, and the reason why I'm talking about this is because right now this website has a lot of attention on it, and it's a great way to get in front of a lot of people in a short period of time. So again, leverage this to get a lot of people to visit your online store, and that way you can earn more sales. Now the next one I want to cover is Craigslist. So again, this is something that I found in the Side Hustle Nation group on Facebook. And what you can do here is you can come over here and underneath the for sale tab, you want to click on free. Now when you click on this, you're going to see a lot of things that people are just giving away for free. So people are giving away couches. This is a tower fan. This is an entertainment center or something like that. And what you could do is, especially if you're kind of handy, you can pick up these items, make some minor tweaks to these items, and then you can resell them on Craigslist, or you can even sell them on eBay or something like that and earn profit. So they have like a dining room table here. So you can make some minor tweaks to it. Maybe you could put a different stain or a different color on it and resell it for profit. Now the next one that I want to cover is you can sell your own course. Now how you can actually do this for free is basically whatever skills that you have, whether it's you know how to cook, or if you know how to help people to get sales online, or whatever it is, you can create a simple Facebook group, a free Facebook group, and what you can do is you can start adding people to this group, start building up an audience focusing on one problem. So for me, this is my Facebook group, and in this group I talk about how people can make money with affiliate marketing, how people can have success with YouTube, how they can make money online and things like that as well. Now, I could create a course, and what I could do is create a separate Facebook group, and then for anybody that wants to purchase that course, I can just add them to that new Facebook group, and I can have all the content that I have created in the units tab or in the file section of that group. So now I am creating an additional income stream without having to purchase any additional things. All I'm doing is creating a group, building up an audience of people who would be interested in whatever I'm going to sell my course about, and then when they are ready to purchase, add them to the paid group, and then that's how they're going to get access to all of your content. And the last one that I want to cover is affiliate marketing. And again, this is what I talk about in quite detail on this channel. It's something that I do to make money online. And with affiliate marketing, what we're doing is we're selling other people's products in order to earn income. So we don't have to create courses. We don't have to deal with customer service. We don't have to deal with shipping or anything like that. All we have to do is just get a lot of people to visit our affiliate links. And if somebody purchased something through the affiliate links for something that we are promoting, we can earn a commission. So this is a simple page that I am using to promote one of the offers that I am promoting with affiliate marketing. And on this page, I made a short video giving a few details about what they can expect with this system. And then I included a bunch of testimonials of people who are generating sales using this system. And by me doing this, I'm letting people know in advance that this product works and it's working for a lot of people. And if they're interested in buying this, all they have to do is just click on this red button here. It's going to take them to the offer. And if they decide to become a member of that system, guess what? I earn a commission. Now, the beauty part of this particular offer that I am promoting is it's a monthly offer. So meaning that if somebody gets signs up with it, for every month that they have that particular system, I will earn a commission every single month. So now I'm earning recurring commissions every single month the more people I add to this system who want to get started and learn more about affiliate marketing. So in this video, I share with you guys 10 ways that you can start to make $1,000 per week with no job. Now, if you found this video extremely helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, if this is your first time watching this channel, make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know where in the world you are watching from. Also, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.